All right, pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. "30 seconds in, 90 seconds still to go here on the master race clock. It's a gorgeous day. Wind dies down a little bit. Watching EM Drones, 45-0 for his opener. Saber with a 49.8. SFPV with a 56.9. Skyberries with a 57.2. We're at the midway point, a minute in, minutes still to go. Everyone here pretty much on a 3-lap pace. Yesterday we were getting up to 5, but with this wind, it is, if it was out our back, we might do 5 or 6, but with that headwind, she's a rough one. Nick Knack onto lap 2, Mojo Pappy onto lap number 2. EM Drones about to cross onto lap 3. There he goes up to our Soaring Sky Star finish gate. That was a 35.4, so lap 2, 3, and maybe 4. EM Drones is on that pace to get his 4 in. This could work right now. He is seated pretty well in the game. He is about the number 43 spot. He's just going to continue raising that bar. You want to be inside the top 64. It's your fastest 3 consecutive laps. And on the bubble right now, 3 laps in 2:21 is on the bubble. Plus we have DVR reviews, which may move our numbers up and down. We're at that 10-minute mark, 10 seconds still to go here on that master race clock. So 1 more to go for EM Drones. He squeezes by with about 9 seconds still on that clock. And now 3, 2, 1. There's the ding. We are done. The next time they cross over, 2 to finish. EM Drones and Skyberry. Skyberry is going to get us 3 in here in this session. And EM Drones on pace to move himself up a little bit. Skyberry's, even the wind here, actually with an opportunity to get close to our top 64. Let's see where it is as we go across that line with Skyberry's 3 laps, 2:21 the time. I think that might be good. And EM Drones, 3 laps, his last 3 laps, total him up at 1 minute and 40. That moves him up to number 23 overall with his 35, 33, and 31, laps 2, 3, and 4. Now back to Skyberry's 3 laps into 21, and that is going to put him unofficially on the bubble in the number 64 spot. Nice run for Skyberry. Of course, there are DVR reviews that may go into pilots' favors and out of pilots' favors, but right now, unofficially on the bubble, Skyberry's in the number 64 spot. That's it. Let's retrieve